Today we are going to make a Guga-inspired cote de boeuf.
Fire.
First up, I'm going to heat the anova precision oven to 52.5 degrees and 100% steam. This is going to let me sous vide without the bag. Once heated, it's time to slide these mama steaks in for 2 hours. You can also do this the normal way in a bag if you have a sous vide machine. Next up, I head to the garden, grab my global wick lumpwood charcoal, load up one side of the Kamado, this is the XL one so it takes quite a fair bit, and then light. Lighting couldn't be more easier in a Kamado. No messing around with a chimney star. Whack a couple of these home fire twizzlers on and let it go. While this heats up, it's time to think about the sides. Garlic butter rice in the yoji rusi. Garlic, butter, whack it in, make it play the sound, and go. Onto the rabbit food, side salad. Give it a quick rinse off, put it in the spinner, dry it off, and then make a balsamic dressing. Big glug of balsamic and a big glug of olive oil. With the meat patty dry, I give it a good rub down with oil and season heavily with Angus and Montreal seasoning. Get them right in there.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Whack them on a tray to take outside, grab my barbecue tools and go. The Kamado's been on for about an hour now, rip roaring hot as you can see. Place the steaks directly over the top of the charcoal. You want the best sear possible here. Remember, you're not trying to cook the steak here, you're just searing it for the crust. We've already done the cooking part in the sous vide. Christ, look at them grill marks. Flip it over every 30-40 seconds, about 2-3 minutes until we're done. For me, this has to be the best way to cook steak. It's consistent, easy, and you always get the same results. Just look how good these are. On to plating. I like to slice mine off the bone. Not because it's easier to cut up on the plate, I've just got a spoiled dog who loves eating the bone. And look what I said about cooking. Can't beat this, cooked to perfection every time. Just how I like it. Smooth. Season with a bit of salt, plate up with the sides, and there you have it. Cote de boeuf, Guga style.